Hello my lovely people. On today's video I showed how I prepared my hair tea, both the cold process and the hot process. This hair tea has been testified by many and I'm here to give it a try or two. Because I have the tree around my environs, it was easier. And this is another species of hibiscus flower. Oh, least I forget, if this is your first time of stopping by, please do wait to hit the subscribe button for free. So I had it dried under the sun for just a couple of days and it was ready to use. Likewise my moringa tree too. The green leaf you are seeing is the moringa leaves, and I sun dried it the same way I did to the hibiscus. Now they are all dried up and they are so crisp they can easily break. So instead of using a blender, I did the alternative way, which is using my hand as a blender. So I got my sieve so as to sieve out the chaff. It's not that the chaff is bad enough, the chaff can still be used too. It's just that it wasn't grounded properly because I used my hand, that was why. The next ingredient I brought was the rosemary. I already had it in the spray can. So I got my mixture and filled it in the spray can, as you can see in the video. There is something you need to know about this tea. There are two processes of getting this tea, the cold and the hot process. The one I did was the cold process. As you can see in the video, after I poured the cold water in the spray can, I left it for days so that it can go rancid. By then the ingredients must have been extracted, and I sieved it out and continue using the tea. While the hot water process is done by the way of boiling the mixture and allowing it to cool. After it must have cooled off, you now sieve out the mixture and continue using your tea. Still on the cold process, after the whole mixture, I left it in the spray can for some days, like about 2 days, and it changed color to some light red color. I'm not really good with colors, but whichever it changed to, the main thing is that it changed color. And the next thing I did was to extract the water and stored it in my spray can. My humble review on this is that it softens the hair and makes it easy to comb. And as regards to hair growth, I actually do not doubt the efficacy because I googled about this plant and they have good nutrients that grows the hair. So if you're looking for a good moisturizer for your hair, I suggest you should go with this. You would love it. So here we go, and our hair tea or hair moisturizer is ready to use.